Today I'm coming to you from the Marriott in Buenos Aires. This is the location on Carlos Pellegrini. Okay. When I open the door, this is what it looks like. Okay. I'm gonna go straight first. And here, there's a closet. So this is actually a mirror. And here's the closet. Okay. It's got, I think, dresser on the bottom that opens up. Place to hang your stuff. Let me close this, go to the other side. An ironing board. What is this? Oh, a little fridge with a little freezer on top. Cool. Okay. It's got a safe. More shelves. And then this is the bathroom. Okay. So when I come into the bathroom, it's got one sink, a hair dryer there, 2 glasses, a big mirror. And then these are the toiletries. So we've got body lotion, a shoe mitt, razor kit, I guess stuff that, in case you forget. Even a shoehorn and some bar soaps. And this is the view from the bathroom. Okay. The bidet, the toilet, a tub right there. And on this side is the shower. So let's open up the shower. Let's see. What does it look like? So here's a shower. Nice. Let me go back here. And don't worry about the view in the bathroom. It's got a shade that you can pull down. Okay, so no worries. Let's see what kind of view this is. Apartment buildings, Buenos Aires. Oh, a view of the obelisk. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna come out of the bathroom. So that was the entry door right there. I'm gonna go this side, and here is the bedroom. Okay, so to my left, 2 beds. And footstools at the bedside. A chair. There's a table, a sofa, another lounging chair. And let's see. Here's the view. I think this is the view of the city view, 9th of Julio Avenue. Whoa. Okay. And then there's another little nook or something. Let's see. It's got a dresser, kind of like a china cabinet, really. Let's see. Let me see what's inside. Just shelving. More shelving. Oh, I see. And it's got like a coffee tea station. And then water. Excellent. So that is a view of the room. Beautiful. Love it. Again, coming to you from the Marriott on Carlos Pellegrini in Buenos Aires. See you later.